My name is Baskin Jones, and I'm a Mississippi head-on collision attorney. In a head-on collision, you have two vehicles adding their speed to each other at a point of impact. The forces involved in this type of wreck are much bigger than those forces that you would see in other wrecks. Injuries on a greater scale happen in these sorts of wrecks. It's important to document these injuries, to get to the doctor early, to make sure your treatment plan makes sense, that you're going to the right specialists, that you're getting the right diagnostics done. All these things are vitally important in being able to make a full recovery in your claim. Our team makes sure that you are on a level playing field with the insurance company, and even that you have an advantage, that you know exactly what you need to do to maximize the benefit in your recovery. Call us today for a free consultation. We're happy to talk to you without any obligation about your claim. Tell you exactly what the next steps might be, what you could expect to recover, and when you can expect to recover it. Call me today.